we are going to see the summary of the book, The Power of Subconscious Mind. According to this book, we have two different minds. One is conscious mind and another is subconscious mind. Conscious mind is rational. Conscious mind makes decision by using the knowledge that it attained by using our senses. Our conscious mind is a reasoning mind. On the other hand, subconscious mind is impersonal, non-selective and accepts as true whatever our conscious mind believes to be true. Our subconscious mind accepts what is impressed upon it or what you subconsciously believe. It does not reason things out as your conscious mind does. Our subconscious mind performs its highest functions when your objective sense are not functioning. Your subconscious mind is a treasure. It does not argue with you. Think good and good follows. Think evil and evil follows. You have the power to choose. Choose health and happiness. You can choose to be friendly or you can choose to be unfriendly. Choose to be cooperative, joyous and friendly, lovable, and the whole world will respond. Your business is with your conscious mind and not with your subconscious mind. Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best and make sure the thoughts you habitually think are based on the things that are lovely, true, just, and harmonious. Take care of your conscious mind, knowing in your heart and soul that your subconscious mind is always expressing, reproducing, and manifesting according to your habitual thinking. Your subconscious mind controls all the vital process of your body and knows the answer to all problems. Before going to sleep, imagine yourself that all your problems are healed and your body is cured and perfect. Miracle will happen for you. Picturize the fulfillment of your desire now and feel its reality. You will experience the joy of answered prayer. At any point of your life, you can remake yourself by giving a new blueprint to your subconscious mind. Thus, feed beautiful things into your subconscious mind and yield a beautiful life.